In this video, we are about to see what are variables, expressions and statements. First topic is assignment statements. A variable is a name that refers to a value. Assignment operator creates a new variable and gives it a value. For example, if we see in the lines of code, the first line, the string hello world is assigned to a variable message. In second line, integer 25 is assigned to a variable n. In third line, the float 3.14 is assigned to the variable pi. Rules for variable names. It must start with a letter and not with integer and can contain both letters and numbers. If a variable name has multiple words, we can use underscore characters. Space will cause an error. We cannot use keyword as variable name, such as if, else, import, etc. Special symbols or characters are not allowed to use as a variable name. Expressions and statements. An expression is a combination of values, variables, and operators. A statement is a unit of code that has an effect like creating a variable or displaying a value. For example, in the following lines, the first line n is equal to 25. It is assigning a value to a variable, so it's called statement, and n plus 25 is called expression. Now script mode. As so far we have been running on interactive mode. Though it is a good way to start, it becomes difficult to work with more than few lines of code. Thus, alternative is to save the code in a file called script mode. To open a file in script mode, we can use a short key Ctrl+N in interactive mode. We can code there and save for later use and execute in interactive mode. Comments. Comments give following advantages. Anyone can understand the code. It will be in simple and understandable language. It gives information about the author, time, purpose of the code, etc. It is a good idea to add comments while coding to avoid complicated errors. It starts with a simple hash. The interpreter will ignore these lines and do not execute while running. Now we are at the end of the chapter. Interactive mode, a way of using Python interpreter by typing the code at the prompt. Script mode, a way of using Python interpreter to read the code from file and run it. Syntax error, the error that makes the program impossible to parse. Semantic error, error that makes the program to do malfunction. Runtime error, it is an error that occurs when the program runs and will not normally appear when executing or typing the code. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for receiving notifications of my latest videos. Thank you.